You often hear the term SOC analyst in cybersecurity. But what exactly is a SOC? SOC stands for Security Operations Center, often called as SOC or Cyber Defense Center. It is a centralized team responsible for monitoring, detecting, analyzing, and responding to security incidents in an organization. Think of it as the control room of cybersecurity. Just like airports have control towers, organizations have SOCs to monitor digital activity. Why do companies need a SOC? Because attacks do not happen once a year. Threats are continuous. Phishing attempts, malware activity, suspicious logins, brute force attempts, data exfiltration attempts, all of this generates signals. Someone must monitor those signals. That is the SOC. What actually happens inside a SOC? Let us walk through it conversationally. Systems generate logs. Those logs go into a central platform, usually called a SIEM, that is Security Information and Event Management System. The SIEM correlates events. For example, if there are 200 failed login attempts from one IP address, that becomes an alert. If a user logs in from India and 5 minutes later logs in from Europe, that becomes an alert. SOC analysts monitor these alerts and also investigate. They check logs, they check endpoints, they verify user behavior, they gather evidence. If it is benign, they close it. If it is malicious, they escalate it. Now let us understand SOC roles. There are usually different tiers. Tier 1 analysts. They monitor dashboards and triage alerts, called as L1. Tier 2 analysts. They perform deeper investigation and threat hunting, called as L2. Tier 3 analysts. They handle advanced incident response and complex attacks, often called as L3. There are also roles like threat intelligence analysts, detection engineers, SOC managers. SIEM platforms are mainly used inside a SOC. SOC is not about hacking. It is about detection, analysis, and response. Now let us talk about career entry. If you want to enter SOC, you should understand networking fundamentals, operating system basics, log analysis, common attack techniques, basic scripting, and incident response workflow. Remember, working in SOC can be high pressure. It often involves shifts, but it gives deep exposure to real attacks. Cybersecurity careers that begin in SOC moves into incident response, threat hunting, malware analysis, blue team engineering, security architecture. This content is created by the YouTube channel Open Computing Sessions. This audio version is generated using AI technology. Thank you.